morning, Turner family. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today we on the gonna be doing a cooking vlog. As y'all can see, hubby out there getting the chimney already ready to put inside of the smoker. So that's what he's doing now. He's getting the chimney going to light the charcoal so we can put it inside of the smoker over here in that little box right there. But yeah, he's getting the chimney ready to light up these coals so we can throw it in there. And before we hop into this video, we need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all excuse how we looking. We up early. It is currently, let's see what time it is. So it is currently, I don't know if y'all can see it, 9:22 in the morning. We out here getting everything ready to go. We'll be out here looking cray-cray in these black socks and these white shoes. Vlog with y'all today, showing y'all how we do our little Sunday dinners. And with this little smoker, y'all, we love this thing. So we're getting ready to smoke some salmon. Excuse how I look too, y'all. I look a hot mess. But yeah, we got to smoke some salmon, chicken wings, some smoked macaroni and cheese, and green beans. So yeah.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Make sure y'all stay tuned and y'all get to see this whole process. Here's hubby.
What's going on, Turner family? How y'all doing out there?
Getting the crack. Don't be shocked, y'all, if he put his...
Just woke up, tired, but I did wash my face and brush my teeth. Alright? Yeah, we about to hook it up today.
Yeah, buddy.
Got a nice surprise for y'all. I don't know if she already even told y'all what we throwing on this on the smoker. Let him get a glimpse of that smoke. That's a big dog smoke, man. Don't play no games.
Yeah, he don't play no games. He like this little thing.
It's empty right now, but it'd be something nice for y'all in here in a minute. Get that thing going. My family bought me this, was that 2 Father Days ago?
Yeah, 2 Father Days. Yep, this was a Father's Day gift, y'all, and he loves the heck out of this thing. He stay using it. It's his baby. He loves this little smoker. I actually like it because you get to cook so many things at one time. So
for y'all smokers and grillers out there, y'all make sure y'all get y'all a couple of those charcoal chimneys, man. They get your charcoal nice and right, nice and ready to go. You don't have to spend all that money on lighter fluid and all that crap. You'll see them things gonna be just right, man. Throw them right there in that basket and we get going. But holler back at y'all here in a minute when we start getting the food all put in the pans and everything prepared to go get in the smoker. So get back at y'all.
Alrighty, Turner family, we back in the house, y'all. I'm getting ready to show y'all the chicken. Y'all, we've been having this chicken marinating for about 2 days. And it smells so good when you take the top off of this pan. He's getting ready to toss a little bit more seasoning in there. But yeah, y'all, the flavor is pretty much in there. And then over here, we got the salmon. I'm going to show y'all the salmon too. This actually been marinating too. So all our little meat going to have some good flavor, y'all. Hubby done wrap this up so good. Probably about 10 layers of foil on here.
One of the nice things to do when you smoking meats or smoking anything pretty much is use smoked paprika. Got it all in my face, y'all.
It ain't close.
Smoked paprika is it's good. It's good for helping getting that smoke flavor in there. Not just only your woods or for whoever use pellets, but for yeah, just any kind of smoking. This is good.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the salmon. Let y'all see a little bit of it. It's been marinating as well. But this is what the salmon is looking like. If I open it, he can hit it with some more seasoning. So I'm gonna open it up.
I don't need no more, but I just got my little tricks and techniques I do. Trust me, you can see that thing ready to go.
Ooh, y'all, it looks so good and it smells so good. Yeah, we're just tossing this up some more. Hi, baby. Good morning.
Look at that. Wings is, and look, y'all ain't ready for that, man. It's alright though. I'm saved all y'all plate.
Gonna be heat. Look at that. All that season in there. Woo. And then y'all, what we're gonna do is just come over here and place it inside of these pans. And this is actually what it's gonna cook inside of. So this is how we prep our little chicken and stuff to go inside of the smoker. So y'all stay tuned. Once we get all this chicken inside the pan, we'll come back and show y'all what it look like. So make sure y'all stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all. Now our chimney is ready. And y'all can see the smoke, all the smoke is gone away. That's how you know when your charcoal is done getting heated up. And all he gonna do is just pour it inside of this little thing. And that's pretty much it with your charcoal. And then you throw your wood chunks on there. And then y'all gonna see them put it inside of there. And that's pretty much it to getting this smoker started. And just putting it in there. And we're gonna drop some wood chunks on there. There's some wood chunks over here. Yeah, he got his do-rag on now. All this smoke is starting to happen.
Y'all know I can't. I'm too fresh, too clean. Can't mess these up, big dog.
So he about to drop out his little chunks in there, but yeah, he got his do-rag on to make sure his hair don't get smoky. He literally just got it done yesterday, and we forgot we was smoking today. Yeah. So that's what that looked like. Head in the way. And just close it up.
You know, I had to learn how to work my baby. You know, every smoker different. Everybody smoke a little differently. But that's how, you know, my baby work and get down. And can't see it right now because it was raining, I guess, or
The humidity.
moisture from overnight. But you're going to see that gauge jump up real fast. You ready to slap them things in there and just balance that thing out. It's already going up.
I don't know if y'all can see it. It's kind of foggy, but yeah, it's going up. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, and we'll be back to show y'all once it heat all the way up to see y'all, show y'all where the gauge go, and then also we'll be back to show y'all this chicken. Stay tuned.
5 minutes later.
Alright, y'all, this is what the chicken look like once we get it all out the pan from marinating. We place them in these little pans like this, and then we just go and put them inside of the smoker. So y'all come along with us and we'll meet y'all outside. Stay tuned.
What kind of chicken is this? It's not fat, it's just delicious. And they're smoked.
Alright, y'all, we going inside the smoker.
You look disgusting.
Don't see everything. She ain't in the camera. Got all the chicken in. And we just gotta put the salmon in. Bring the salmon. You want the salmon right now?
I'm just closing up for my temperature.
Alright, y'all can
And it's
see
clearing up.
it's going up, and the screen is actually clearing up, as y'all can see it now.
It's gonna drop every time I open it.
That's what that looks like. It's getting warm.
Excuse me, turtle fam. Here in a little bit, let it kind of cook in that foil.
There goes the salmon. Oh, y'all can't wait to eat. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be great. Can't wait. I think everybody's ready to eat. But yeah, y'all, so now we got all the meat inside of there. once the meat start cooking and stuff, we'll be back to show y'all the process of all. Hubby out here getting his chimney ready again. When his coals go out.
Use Kingford. Don't go the cheap route, man.
This ain't no promotion either.
No, not at all.
They need to give us one.
Not
But
yet.
yeah, we use the Kingsford.
Just, you know, good charcoal. You know what I mean? That off-brand, it messes up your food if you ask me. So.
And the cheap chunks. Tell them don't use the cheap chunks because they won't get a smoke smell. So we got, what brand is that? What brand of them is that? Cowboy brand? That's
yeah, I'm just using these up, man. They didn't really give me too much flavor last time. I mean, I've used the best choice kind, and I got a lot of flavor from the wood. But this particular bag, man, it just, I don't know what was going on with it. So I'm just kind of using it up since it ain't really doing too much. But this was apple wood. But I got this Cowboy brand. It's a really good brand. And this is just hickory.
Yeah, y'all, we're getting y'all some tips on smoking, so make sure y'all stay tuned. We'll be back. Alright, Turner fam, so as y'all can see, the heat is continuing to rise. So y'all, we at a good temperature. I don't know if you trying to get it higher than this, babe?
No, I'm gonna let it drop down a little bit. Kind of stay in that gray area close to it.
So
anything kind of past that gray area is kind of cooking it too fast. So when you're doing fish and wings, you know, you want to kind of stay in that 200, 250 range. That's what I generally do. And for, you know, poultry, chicken, you wanted the temperature to be like 165 on the inside. And then like for fish, 145 in the inside.
yeah, we got a little cool too, this little temperature thing. Y'all get to see it when he tests it. When he get ready to test the meat to check the temperature. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll be back.
2,000 years later.
Alrighty, y'all, we back in the kitchen. We just took some of the chicken out. All we doing now is just flipping the chicken. Y'all can see it's starting to darken up and all that. Yeah, it smells so good, looks so good. I'm so ready to chow down. But yeah, we also took the salmon out and took it out the foil and put it back in there. So we'll let y'all see that here in a little bit. But yep, that's where we at with it now. So we'll catch y'all when we get back outside. So stay tuned.
Shoot, I can look at these.
Oh, and then he just brought another pan in. Them look real good.
I'm gonna rotate them and flip them now. They all gonna come out looking the same. I like smoking because it's patience. She can't look.
Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to record you.
Peep this, y'all. She's such a fat girl, right? And look at her running because she looking hot mess. She's such a fat girl that I'm trying to talk to y'all and she can't get the camera off the wings.
I didn't know he was supposed to be in the
That's
camera.
my baby, y'all. Yeah. This is how my family look in the morning.
No, sir.
Put a little clown in.
Des took off.
Oh, yeah? Mm.
That's she's in the room. She look a mess too. She don't look no better than nobody else.
That's where you at. She's always in the bathroom, y'all.
It's never ending.
She's always in the bathroom. Excuse me, y'all. I'm still not too good with this camera. But yeah. We getting it in though, y'all. It's coming out good, you know. The more you smoke, you'll definitely get better at it. Please excuse my camera action. And my words ain't coming out right now. Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. I think it's too much food, but they don't feel like it. Man,
We're gonna
listen.
eat on this for
We
about
got
2
a whole
days.
nother pan still in the smoker this size. Then this size. Then we got that.
Salmon.
Man, look.
There were people that eat too.
I ain't gonna lie. My ladies eat.
Real
Especially
good.
like
This is the
this.
meals
Yeah,
you
they
come
gonna
back
dumb
and
through
eat a
this.
couple times a day. We come back a couple times. And then still have more for the next day. So, yeah, buddy. Getting it in. Yeah,
I'm gonna pass this camera back to my baby, y'all.
There's this.
Got her. Whole family looking crusty.
What are
Damn!
toes hanging over the edge? Yeah. Just horrible.
You already flipped all these?
Yeah.
Now she's
But yeah, y'all. Now I'm flipping this one. So y'all stay tuned. I'll catch y'all when I get back outside. I'm gonna show y'all. He got another thing of coal going for the other half of this cook time for these wings and the salmon. So we'll catch y'all when we get back outside. Alright, y'all. I wanted to show y'all the salmon. That's what the salmon looks like now. We done took it out the foil. Looking good down there.
About to
chicken wings.
About to change the charcoal out.
Y'all can see, got his chimney going again. But yeah, we're waiting on that to finish burning.
More round, and this should cook it all the way through. And put this macaroni and green beans in there, and it's good.
Yeah, see, that's what we about to do now. Go in here and start prepping the green beans and the macaroni. Like I said, y'all, we doing macaroni and smoked macaroni and smoked green beans. So I'll show y'all the process of me prepping all that stuff too. So stay tuned and we'll catch y'all when we're back in the kitchen.
Family, I'm just about to add some more charcoal into this thing. So I just wanted to show y'all how I do that on mine. Don't do too much, you know. Things is nice and ready. And when you don't see too much smoke coming off the top as much no more, that means it's ready. And when you use one of those charcoal chimneys, man, always make sure you can get some airflow through the bottom. That's how those things work. Just throw that out there. This thing hot. Voila, that's how I do mine. So, yeah, a nice piece of wood. Just throw one on here for now, man, because I don't want to raise that temperature up too high. Yeah, that's hot. And gang. All right, we'll be back here in a minute.
Alrighty, y'all. So I'm getting ready to prepare the green beans. So I'm getting ready to show y'all how I do this. So I got some onion here. I got 2 bags of the cut up green beans. I got some black pepper. I got some Johnny seasoning salt, onion powder, and then some garlic powder. And then also I'm gonna chop up some of this turkey bacon in there. And y'all, these is gonna be the smoked green beans. So stay tuned and continue to watch as I prepare them. Y'all get to see everything. Right now I'm just getting ready to chop up these onions to go in here. Just like this. I'm about to rinse this out. Yes, to see the little steam in the background from that pot. That's my pot for my macaroni and cheese. I'm getting ready have Divinity dump the noodles in there in a minute as soon as it starts boiling. Well, it actually just started boiling, so that's what she's about to do now. And then once the noodles and stuff is done, I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I make my smoked macaroni and what all I put in my smoked macaroni and cheese. So continue to watch. So I prepare green beans.
Dirty what?
Put a little over half of the bag in there. Okay, so that's about all the onion I'm gonna need. Put that back in there. I'm gonna chop up a couple pieces of this turkey bacon. Excuse my baby in the background. She's losing her mind over the toast. That out the way so y'all can see. And then I just slice the bacon into little thin strips. And I'll probably go down the middle of them. Yeah, this turkey bacon is so heat. We get it from Costco's.
No, Mom, say best.
And it is great turkey bacon. It's nice and thick. It ain't that little thin cheap stuff.
Is this enough noodles?
Yeah, that's what we doing. Smoked green beans. Turner family way. Baby.
Who left this on the
How much
counter?
you put in?
Who left this on the counter?
Put a little bit more.
There is no little bit more. Give me the big one.
Somebody.
Chop chop. Her noodles gonna be stuck.
So, that's the bacon, y'all. Try to chop it up a little bit more. The bacon kind of real, baby.
Should I transfer that into you? Or just
So
no,
there
I
goes
see
our
this.
onions and our bacon. And then I'm just gonna, actually I'm gonna put a little bit of water in the bottom of this. Put a little water in there. Put up my green beans in there. You said what?
Is this enough noodles?
Dump them in there like so.
Okay, Mr. Sir. You left this on the counter with a drop of oil left in it.
Was it something in there?
Barely.
Hey.
It was literally a drizzle.
That's how you know when you getting older, y'all. All you can do is just throw up that old peace sign. Ain't no more gang, gang, gang. Ain't no more of that.
He talking about gang, gang, gang. Like, no.
Get out of it. Get over it.
Okay, then I'm gonna dump my onions and my bacon in here. Sprinkle it in there.
You already had a piece?
Mommy thought she said she could have a piece.
No.
Because I put Mommy a piece in there. He said she could have a piece? I said, She said, oh.
I thought he did. That's why it was 2 in there. All right, y'all. Now I'm going to wash my hands.
I got a question for you. So why don't you put water in it? Some oil in it? Why don't you put water in it to boil them? In the green beans.
What are you talking about?
Cook them.
Then I'm gonna sprinkle some onion powder. Some black pepper.
You sure can't see your toast.
No.
But you are.
Garlic powder. Y'all, we like our green beans to have flavor, so I know y'all probably looking like, dang, she using a lot of seasoning in them green beans. It ain't a lot. Remember, I put 2 bags of green beans in here, so if I don't put enough seasoning, you're gonna have some bland. And now I'm putting Johnny's, y'all. You're gonna have some bland green beans if you don't get them seasoned good, so. Not too much salt, though. Not at all. And then I'm just gonna toss it all around. Kind of frozen. Put them frozen green beans in there. In that water.
You get your vitamins to do it, though?
Yeah.
It's hot.
I feel good.
You think I should put some foil on top of this?
Weirdo.
Huh? You think I should put some foil on here?
Yeah, you can get it going. And then you can peel it back.
Get a good steam.
Are you hungry? Wait, so you did put water in the bottom of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
No, yeah, I did.
Water in the bottom.
Alright, y'all. So that's pretty much everything that goes in the green beans. So they're ready to just go in the smoker. I'm getting ready to put some foil on it. We're going to start off cooking it with the foil on it, and then we're going to take it off so it can get all that smoked flavor in there. So we can actually have some smoked green beans. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll be back once I get ready to start mixing up the macaroni. So peace. Alrighty, y'all. So we got our noodles over here cooking, like I told y'all. I was doing the green beans. We was getting ready to put the noodles in here. I'm about to test one and see if it's actually done. Yep, and they done. So I'm about to strain them.
Now your butter.
Bring it back over here, and I'm gonna put a half a stick of butter in the bottom of both of these pans. I'm gonna actually divide it into 2 pans. I don't want to stuff all this macaroni in 1 pan, so I'm gonna do it in 2 pans.
You think it'll be cool in just one?
I think it'll be cool in just that one.
Just do a half.
Huh?
I said just do a half stick.
I'm gonna put a half stick, and I'm just gonna wind up using just this one big skillet to put it all in.
I can't.
Yeah, wait a minute, baby boy.
Come on, think about it. Yeah, shut the door.
Do that like that. Come over here and grab my noodles. Throw this back in here. Whew, it looks great already. And then I'm going to put my evaporated milk in it. Just hand me the cheese out of the
Refrigerator.
refrigerator.
The Velveeta cheese? Yes.
So I'm gonna put this whole can in here, and I got another one. I'm gonna add it as I get it all mixed up. And then I'm gonna add some Rotel can. I'm using the fire roasted this time because they didn't have any pots. So I'm gonna use the fire roasted Rotel can this time. But like I said, I normally use the hot one.
Y'all, she be hating on me using the hand can opener, but she's been using it all morning.
Yep, because I don't feel like messing with the electric one. I'm gonna drain the juice off.
Where's Yuri?
Yeah, with her dad.
Oh, okay.
Mom, okay. What do you think about my skirt?
Hey, you can't I'm recording the whole video.
I thought this was the Sunday day vlog.
Yeah.
She ain't about to be having a whole conversation with me about something. I'm cooking. I'm giving teaching lessons on how to make my macaroni.
Oh, you suck this.
I'm gonna talk to Sissy then. Okay.
Okay, now I got my Rotel cans. Like I said, I used the whole can. I'm gonna see if I need more in a minute. I don't want too much tomatoes in it.
Yeah, we don't like tomatoes like that.
I like them in my macaroni.
Okay, so now I have that in there. Now I'm getting ready to, I'm just gonna mix this around. Get all this mixed around good.
The butter's gone. Melt it.
Did it?
Yeah.
How do you get water? How do you get macaroni so moisturized if you drink
The butter and then the cheese and...
You drop the noodle.
I know, I seen that.
You need every last noodle. Cause I'm so hungry.
Okay, now y'all, I'm about to start chopping up my... I'm gonna bring this over here.
Move that so he gets sizzled.
Sit
I can set it up right there.
talk to Sissy then. Okay, Sissy.
Scoot it back, man.
It's not high enough.
You
Needs
have to
to
scoot
hover
it back.
above. They can't see in the pot. They can only see the pot.
Okay, well hold it then. Just hold it. I'm not putting nothing in there yet. I'm about to cut up the cheese.
Oh, they can watch you cut up the cheese.
It's okay, Sissy. So, do you remember the circles, the white shirt with all the green circles on that I showed you?
No.
Mom. It's
I'm
flat.
gonna cut up my cheese. I'll just cut it up in little rectangles. Sprinkle them in there.
That deliciousness.
It's some black stuff in here.
I'll try to cut it up a little small so it don't take so long for it to melt. That's the reason why I cut it this way. It's easier to mix it around.
Why do you cut the paper with it?
She doesn't cut the paper with it.
I'll peel the paper off.
She cuts it out of the paper.
So she's cutting the paper with it.
Y'all, Des don't need to cook.
See, she's cutting the
Can you
paper.
see me sprinkling it in the pot?
Kinda, sorta. They can't see in the pot, but they can see you sprinkling it in the pot.
Cause she's.
You can see it once I get ready to stir.
What'd you eat for breakfast?
Just give me another evaporated milk
Where'd that
in the closet. Shake it up.
go? Okay.
2% Velveeta. No, go give me the hand can opener.
We like ours cheesy, so I've already used probably over half of the block already. Like ours creamy and cheesy. So that's what you're gonna get.
If y'all heard that, that was Sissy trying to open the can.
Then you put another hole on this side.
How to cook, Mommy?
Mommy told me to do this, actually.
Okay, Okay, that's gonna be enough right there. And then I'm about to sprinkle some black pepper.
What's the point of mommy getting her hair done if she wears a bonnet? That's what I've been trying to figure out. Y'all,
I
she
don't
got
want it
some
smoked
fresh
out. I don't want to. I already
braids.
didn't explain all this to them.
Oh,
While
did you
y'all
show
trying to
Did you show
be extra.
that I spent 8+ hours doing for
Then I
nobody
got
to
some-
see? Sorry.
Then I got some garlic powder.
Did you sew them your hair, mommy?
And I'm gonna add a little bit more of the evaporated milk in here. Like I said, y'all, we like it very creamy and cheesy. So that's my second can. We're just gonna stir it all around.
I had a question. Don't you set it on back on the after you just put it in the smoker like this?
Put it in the smoker like this.
Oh, I thought she just lets the cheese melt and 2% in the smoker.
That's what the smoker is there for, to melt it and get it some smoky.
Well, I don't cook, so I don't know that. I only cook breakfast. That's my thing.
Bacon.
Eggs, grits, sausage.
Add a little bit more cheese and then a little bit more of the evaporated milk. And this is pretty much how I make our smoked macaroni and cheese. So leave a comment down below if any of y'all try your macaroni and cheese like this.
Or how you try your macaroni.
Or how
and
you
cheese.
try your macaroni.
Or
Yeah.
suggest macaroni ways.
Same thing.
No, it's not.
It is.
Add a little bit more cheese.
Don't Velveeta make their own macaroni too? In the cups.
Yeah, in the cups. Y'all, look at that deliciousness.
You're so fast, Sissy.
It looks edible. Is it edible? Oh, so I can edible it.
She's so fat.
Y'all, the wings smell so good I could taste them.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
They said I'm just fat, but it's an
I
actual
call
thing.
getting the first ring. I
You
deserve.
can't do that.
I deserve. I do call. I deserve the first ring. Is it weird that I like eating square cheese?
Yeah.
It's very good. It's like you just that thing that's in your mouth, and it's just like this. It's still spaghetti in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat that. That's the noise the spaghetti was making. I was putting it.
No, it's not.
It's all.
No, it's not. That sounds like liquid. That sounds like nasty, thick stuff smashing together. See, that sounds so great.
How do people put on the show they're too funny, like mommy's doing it?
What?
I don't say it. I don't think there's anything in there.
Go get the third one, Des.
Shut up. You ruined my voice.
Alrighty, y'all. So that wraps up the macaroni and cheese. So now we're just waiting. Got the green beef sitting on the stove, and I'm about to put the lid on this and set it on the stove till it's ready to go in. Once we get ready to put it in the smoker, we'll see y'all when we get there. So stay tuned.
Y'all, Des is trying to
Why
work
you
the
show
can
that?
opener. She don't know how to work it. We have an electric one, but nobody wants to use that one.
Cause I don't know
But
how
y'all,
to work
she's
this.
okay. Let me explain this to y'all. She's trying to use this to open it instead of this. This is what she used to open it. She keeps putting it on like this, so she's trying to open it with this. But
Because
that
this is the
spins
only
against
thing
that to make that spin to open up the thing.
Oh, well,
but
I didn't
she's
know
not
that.
comprehending how this is working. She's just not doing it right.
How you doing this?
Not like that. Look at this.
And not spinning, sissy. It's not spinning.
Show them how you trying to do this, sis.
Me done leaving that.
Y'all, she's so just clueless. Imagine trying to leave her somewhere by herself for a day. She would starve. She can't open a can.
I will eat a peanut butter and jelly.
What if you ain't got peanut butter and jelly?
Well then, I'll drink water.
Okay, y'all, we getting ready to take the salmon out. The salmon is actually done.
We checked our temperature.
Maybe check the temperature and show y'all. Look at that, y'all.
Glaze just right.
Look at that.
Get that door real quick. Show them on the inside.
Checking it in the house so y'all can see better. It's so bright out here.
Shit.
Look at that. And I'll taste this little piece.
What you want to go in? Green beans or macaroni?
Macaroni. Look at that salmon, y'all. It's heat too. It's so good.
Can you put this top in there?
All that flavor is all up and through there. But yeah, y'all. I'll get the macaroni over here. I'm sorry, baby.
She on my head, y'all.
Macaroni that's all in the smoker. Looking good. Going down, y'all. Turner family way. Putting some foil on it. He gonna eventually take it off and stir it up. Yeah, I can see how creamy and good it's gonna be. Might have to add some more of the evaporated milk, but we'll know once it start melting and all that. And stir it. Yeah. We gotta take this out. Put it in the smoker.
I'll be moving quick, y'all, because I don't like flies getting in. I hate flies getting in my house. I'm pretty sure y'all do too. So yeah, that's why I be moving quick as heck, man. My family be laughing at me.
Macaroni, he gonna have to move it right down. It ain't wide enough. And we let the pot holders in, so you gotta tell. Yeah, he know how to work this little smoker. He be moving with this little thing like he had a for real barbecue pit. I love it though, cause the food be heat. So yeah, there goes the mac and cheese in the smoker. That's how we get our smoked flavor in the mac and cheese. Putting it in the smoker and letting it cook. Yeah. Hubby, how you feel about it? How you feel about it?
I feel like all this coming out good. All this coming out fire.
The salmon was good too.
I ain't tried it yet.
Yeah. It got
Trust
a little
me.
spiciness to it, but
They
it's
all
good.
my taste testers. So,
Heat. Yeah, fire.
yeah. They gonna let me know.
But yeah, we'll be testing the chicken here in a minute. He just really moving the fire and stuff around now.
Got to get
Knocking
some
the
more
edges
charcoal
off.
going here in a minute.
Gonna do one more thing of charcoal for the green beans and the mac and cheese. So y'all stay tuned for that. And the battery about to die, so we'll see y'all in a minute. Alright y'all, the mac and cheese is out of the smoker. Hubby got his fork ready. He ready to try it already.
Too ready.
But look at it, y'all. Ain't dry. Looks good. Okay, yeah, so here's the mac and cheese. Just got it out of the smoker. As you can see, it's nice and creamy, the way we like it. But yep, y'all, this is our smoked macaroni and cheese. Hubby going in for a taste. So that's our mac and cheese. So only thing we got left, y'all, is the
I want a double dip so bad, y'all.
the last thing we got left is the chicken, and the green beans is the last thing we got left. Y'all seen the salmon, y'all seen the mac and cheese, so now y'all just gotta see the green beans and the chicken once it get done. So make sure y'all stay tuned, and we'll show y'all that when it get done. Peace. Alrighty, y'all, so this is the finished chicken. Excuse Jerry in the background. She in there talking about something. But anyway, this is the finished chicken. Now all I'm going to do is just squirt barbecue sauce all over all of them and toss them around. And then we're going to put them back in the smoker for the sauce to kind of sit in them inside of the smoker. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. And just toss them around. We already did one of the pans and we did it in jack stack. We're doing this one in the Sweet Baby Ray's hickory. Just toss them around. Make sure they all coated good. And like I said, we're going to put it back inside of the smoker. And then when they come out, we're going to show y'all what they look like. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And thank y'all for watching and tuning in with us on our little cooking vlog. Our little Sunday daily life. This is what we do on Sundays. We be cooking big meals.
For Monday and Tuesday.
And it's kind of good we cook big like this too, because it lasts us for 2 days. And then I ain't got to cook. So, anything get me out of cooking.
That's not okay.
The thing is,
Will
it don't
work.
feel like a Sunday.
Yeah,
It don't. It feel like it should be.
Hurry up, that temp look like it's getting a little too low.
Alrighty, y'all. Catch y'all when the wings come out. Alright, y'all. So this is the smoked green beans. They all done. Looking delicioso. I don't even know if that's the word. But I just made it up. But yeah, y'all. Them are okay. Fire. And then we got the chicken over here. Hubby over here. Trying to put them all in one thing. That's the finished wings, y'all. So y'all can see. These are smoked wings.
Get that other pan.
Just put them all in one container now. But yeah, y'all.
This look like a lot, but my ladies is about to tear through this, y'all. Y'all gotta remember, I'm the only male here. Dallas is gone, off to college. If he was here, he'll eat this whole pan by himself. On my back, I ain't know the camera was here. And I've been drinking a couple of margaritas, I ain't gonna lie.
Too grown.
But yeah, my lady's gonna dump through all of this.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Give me the other
done.
pan back.
Good and done. But yeah, y'all, still look a hot mess. Don't mind how I look. But yep, this pretty much
She's
sums
sexy.
up
That's my big thick
the
fine.
video. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure y'all share our channel with your family, friends, your loved ones, and all them good things. But yeah, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.